Hello YouTube viewers and random Doctor Who fans. It's Angry Boy Ella here for my third video, finally. Yeah. Today I'm going to be reviewing something really cool. And I want to show you something that, remember in my first video, I did the Doctor Who toy review? Yeah, well here's something I forgot to show you. It's the Doctor's fob watch. It's pretty cool. I might do a separate thing on this. I have not opened it yet, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be awesome. Okay, so moving on to what I have bought for this video. Okay, it's something really cool that you can only get in London, except this place. Okay, it is something really neat, which is this. It is the 4th Doctor's sonic screwdriver. I've been wanting this for a long time, and I saved up my money for it. It was about $40, including tax. It was about $43. But got this at Universal Studios. Dark Horse Comics, Things from Another World. Really, really cool. Really excited to open this. It kind of cracked on the way home. As you can see this. Kind of cracked. That's good, but it's really neat. And you can see Tom Baker, Doctor Who logo, TARDIS. Okay, I'll get onto that later. Okay, now I'm gonna open it with my awesome Swiss Army knife. So now let's crack it open. Okay. It's hard to open. There we go. There we go. Okay, here we go. Whew, that was kind of hard to get out. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is really neat. Look at this. Look at that. Wow. Really cool. That is beautiful. Okay, now I'll put the batteries in with this real screwdriver. Sorry if it takes a little while to get in, because I don't unscrew stuff very well. And well, that time it was pretty fast. There we go. Almost there. Okay, now they're kind of hard to pop out. But it takes kind of a small, takes these batteries. But, yeah, you have to have kind of a small, screwdriver. So those of you that have, glasses, then get your, glasses screwdriver out. Because that's pretty much the best thing. Unlike me, I have, an okay screwdriver. Now, finally, it's the final countdown to test it out. Okay, so here it is. It's all locked and loaded with a battery. And, please work, please work. Yes! Whoa. So listen. Oh, I've just noticed something. Okay, listen to this. Just a regular kind of screwdriver noise, huh? But now listen to this one. You can hear a slight chirping. Interesting. Okay, going on to detail now. Okay, I love the head, the bullet shape, kind of rubber. To activate it, just pull this part down. Spring loaded. Okay, detail. Love the head. Love how you can see it's kind of like a pipe in there. But, yeah, nice. I hate this big battery compartment. Why couldn't they just put that, like, on the, 10th Doctor Sonic screwdriver? Like, that'd be kind of nice. And that's kind of weird that the, sound comes from the bottom. One thing I love is this little dent. That's big. Like, really big. But, yeah, there's that. It's really cool. I love that. $40. That's really neat, man. Okay, now moving on to the card. Okay. Yeah, this is pretty neat. Memorabilia. Big time. Really cool. And it tells about a lot of stuff like that stuff. Okay, well, I guess that's it, people. But, hope you like it. And I want to show you something really quick. So if you would like to, look at me. I got a new Justin Bieber haircut. Yeah. So, comment, subscribe, like, all that stuff. But, thank you for watching. I'll make more videos. And that's it. Okay, thank you. Bye.